Today I was looking for a spreadsheet SDK for using in my Visual Studio. So as I search on the Google, the first page came up, that is ByteScout Spreadsheet.4.net. So let's see what's inside that. So you can see here already 4,000 people have downloaded this file. So I think this is pretty good. Let's see. So it gives you 60 days of free trial. That's pretty good. I can use it like for 2 months by trial. And we need Windows XP or higher, 700 megabyte of free space, and internet connection for downloading the file. Alright. And here I can see there are some more different products, PDF SDK and some other things. Let's first download this file and see what's inside. Alright. I can see many different products, but as I don't need all of the products, I would only need the spreadsheet SDK. So I will just select that one. Alright, the file is now downloading. Let the file download, and in the meantime let's see the products in the website. Here are some different products as PDF SDK, screen capturing SDK for Windows, that's pretty good. Text recognition, that's pretty cool, I guess. Now the file is downloaded. It's creating some Microsoft Visual Studio project, I think. And the installation is completed. Now let's open. Alright, this is the SDK. So at first what we see here is we can export the files. Alright, I think this is the source files. Yes, here we can see the folders that are shown in the app. As you can see, ASP Classic, ASP.NET C#, C#, C++, console, JavaScript, PHP, VB.NET, and all of the files. So this is the source file folder. Okay, now let's test the software. This is a simple file called XLS to HTML. So here are so many functions. So let's try this one. This is to create an area chart file that will be added on the output.xls. So let's see the run the sample. And yeah, it is. So depending on our input, there are some 6 area chart created according to the command. You can see. You can see that we have given different types of parameter chart type, area stacked, and others. Here in the files there is source file. Now if we want to modify the file, we can just edit here. This is the program. As we can change here, and according to our input we will get different output in the XLS file. Alright, now move on to the next, add bar chart, run sample. Here we can see that different types of bar chart has been generated. Now we see image, add image to spreadsheet. As we run the code, we can see that the image is added in the spreadsheet. Alright, then we can see that different types of chart, pie chart here. So let's see how this works. Different type of pie chart: pie 3D, pie of pie, pie exploded 3D, and so on. As we run the code, we can see that 6 types of pie chart has been generated here. And as if I want to change the code here, I will make it only pie, and let's see if code is changed. Yes, you can see that the third pie chart is changed. Previously it was something similar to this, but now this is only a pie. Alright, now let's change it back to the pie of pie. Again from the code, here you can see that the pie of pie. Now there is 2 pie. So now let's move on to the XLS to CSV. This is particularly very important. The CSV file format is very useful in different types of data mining projects. Once I was working in Weka, and Weka only uses CSV file, so I found a dataset of XLS file and I had to create it into a CSV file format. So it took me so much time to find a particular good software that can actually convert the XLS file to CSV file, and it cost me so much time. So here it is so easy that only just putting the files here, we can just create XLS to CSV file format. So now let's see how this works. This is the XLS file format, the simple report XLS file, and we can just convert it to CSV file by running the program. And now this is the CSV converted file. Then we have is XLS to text. Again, with the file we have a sample report file, it's same as the previous file. By running the code, we will create a text file. It's so easy. Then we have XLS to XML, XLS to XML, and XML to XLS. We have also Hello World spreadsheet, and Excel to HTML. This is particularly useful for the web programmers. They need to convert Excel to HTML file. So now let's see. As we run the sample, we can see that from the Excel file we have created an HTML file. Now if we want to change the file and add something, we can do that as well by running the code in Visual Studio and change the properties. The code here, and here I will add my name and see if it appears in the HTML file. So now running the code, and you can see that my name is now added here. So pretty cool, I guess. Now save as a PDF file. This is also a very useful feature. As we can see in the folder. There are no PDF file, only the setup file. And once we run the program, we can see that there has been created two PDF file. One is named as auto sized and another name is fixed size PDF. That's awesome. And there are so much more different useful things in this app. So I guess this is the best spreadsheet SDK for .NET framework. And you can easily understand this is why it showed up in the first search result in Google. And if you want to use spreadsheet SDK, I think you should go for this one.